He's an umbrella cockatoo.
He's like falling asleep.
Peter, look at that.
Can I find you a good
He
spot?
is loving it.
Jack's like, I want to sit on
Hi, Milo. Hi, beautiful. Hi. Hi, beautiful baby. Hi. You're so beautiful. So nice. Hello. He might go first. Peter. Hi. Hello. He knew the assignment. Milo. Hey, buddy. So cute.